Cruise ships arriving in Reykjavik dock at Skarfabakki port, just about 4 kilometers from the city center. Smaller vessels occasionally dock at Old Harbor, closer to downtown, but the vast majority of cruise liners like Royal Caribbean, MSC, Celebrity and Norwegian use Skarfabakki port. From Skarfabakki, free shuttle buses run by the Port Authority take you straight to Harpa Concert Hall in about 10 minutes. The shuttles loop continuously, so you never have to wait long. Harpa is the ideal starting point for exploring Reykjavik on foot because everything you want to see is within walking distance from here. Today I'm going to walk you through the perfect circular walking path from Harpa, right over here. We see 4 iconic stops, all in walking distance, no taxi required, no bus tour needed, and you'll be back in about 3 to 4 hours right from the shuttle pickup spot. Our walk starts and ends right here at Harpa Concert Hall, which is not just a concert venue, but actually the building itself is an work of art. The glass facade was designed by Icelandic artist Ólafur Elíasson and is a copyrighted artwork. It is the only building in Iceland where the exterior is legally protected as an original piece of art. The geometric glass panels are inspired by Icelandic basalt columns, and they shift color with the light throughout the day. You could spend 10 minutes just watching the reflections change. Inside Harpa, you find Volcano Express, an immersive 4D cinematic experience. Shows run every 15 minutes, and it's about 30 minutes with pre-shows included. The show lasts about 30 minutes total. A pre-show exhibition and live earthquake monitor, volcanic maps and real eruption footage from Iceland's most recent eruptions, followed by 10-minute motion seat ride through a volcanic eruption and real heat, vibration and surround sounds. No CGI. Everything you see is real footage from Icelandic eruptions. Volcano Express is purpose-built for cruise passengers. It is indoors, it's right at the shuttle drop-off, and it fits within any shore excursion timeline. If your ship docks at 8 in the morning, you can walk off the shuttle, do Volcano Express, and still have the entire day ahead of you. After the show, step outside through the main entrance facing the harbor. Turn left and follow the waterfront path east along Sæbraut. Our next stop is about a 10-minute walk along the shore. This is Sólfarið, the sun Voyager, one of the most photographed landmarks in Iceland. The stainless steel sculpture sits right on the waterfront and was designed by Icelandic artist Jón Gunnar Árnason. It was unveiled first in 1919 to mark the 200th anniversary of the city of Reykjavik. It's the perfect picture opportunity. Take out your phones, enjoy, and we continue in a few minutes inwards. Most visitors assume it represents a Viking longship, but the artist described it as a dreamboat, an ode to the sun and symbol to the undiscovered territory and the promise of new land. On clear days, the view from here stretches across Faxaflói Bay to Mount Esja, and you can often see your own cruise ship anchored at Skarfabakki in the distance. Cross Sæbraut on the pedestrian crossing just behind the sculpture and head south towards the city center. In about 5 minutes, you will reach the bottom of Skólavörðustígur. Skólavörðustígur is better known as Rainbow Street. The entire road surface is painted in rainbow colors, stretching uphill towards Hallgrímskirkja, the iconic church that dominates the Reykjavik skyline. The street was first painted during Reykjavik Pride in 2018, and the city decided to keep it permanent. It has become one of the most recognizable streets in Iceland. The walk up Rainbow Street takes about 10 minutes at a leisurely pace. You will find handmade wool sweaters, Icelandic ceramics, and local jewelry, all from independent Icelandic markets, not tourist chains. If you have time, walk the way up to see Hallgrímskirkja up close. You can take the elevator to the top of the church tower for a panoramic view over the entire city and harbor. You will be able to spot Harpa and your cruise ship from there. The tower costs around 1,200 Icelandic krona, roughly €8, and it's worth every penny on a clear day. When you're ready, walk back down Skólavörðustígur and turn right onto Hverfisgata. Our final stop is just a few minutes west along the street. This is Þjóðleikhúsið, the National Theatre of Iceland. It was designed by an Icelandic state architect, Guðjón Samúelsson, who also designed Hallgrímskirkja Church. It opened in 1950 and is one of the finest examples of mid-century Icelandic architecture in the city centre. The building blends Art Deco influences with Icelandic basalt-inspired forms. Even if you're not attending a performance, the building and its surroundings are worth a stop. From here, we're just about 10 minutes walk back to Harpa, our starting point of the city tour. Shuttle from Skarfabakki to Harpa, 10 minutes. Volcano Express inside Harpa, 30 minutes. Walk the circular route, Sólfarið, Rainbow Street, the National Theatre and back to Harpa. About 90 minutes with photo stops. So this is how the perfect Reykjavik port day breaks down. If you liked the tour, subscribe for more guided walking routes and check the description below for your tickets for online bookings at Volcano Express. Shows are every 15 minutes, not necessarily online bookings required, but it secures your spot for busy cruise ship days.